Now you may have seen a few tours that I've done around motorhomes, and I've done them at shows like the NEC show and other shows around the country. However, I've not actually looked into or done a tour of someone who's actually owned their van for a while. This one here, this is Ian and Antonia's van from and-Antonias-Escapades YouTube channel. They have a Bailey Autograph 794T and they're calling it Bella. Let's take a look around and ask them a few questions about it. Oh, first of all, I will just point out, it's a good sticker. Now inside here we have
Zoe.
yes, and Ian and Antonia. How you doing?
Oh, we're good, we're good.
First of all, thank you very much for letting me, well, look around your van and be very nosy.
Feel free. It's all right, we'll do yours next.
Right, first of all, let me just back up a bit. Now, nice little step in, and you know me, I don't like steps because, although, if I stand there, we've got quite a lot of room in here, head-wise, lots of room, and it's very light and airy. Next thing you notice is that some nice plush leather seating around, and do you mind if I
Yeah,
open?
go for it.
Is it a push? Oh, it's a push. Oh, it's a nice big
in.
locker. Look at the size of that. Look at my hand there. Nicely
Oh,
sprung.
that's good.
Wow. Oh, very neat.
Yeah.
That must be an
That's
No,
what
that's
we need.
Ian's section.
as Ian's section.
Yeah, that-
Oh, I hate to see the rest of it then. Yes, a very nice. Lots of. That's actually quite deep.
Yeah.
That's what we should do.
Listen to you. And then this one, of course, nice again, nice and big.
Oh,
That's their pantry by the looks of things. Now, of course, I'm not being nosy. I want to show you what the van is like. If you're interested in an Bailey Autograph 749T. Have I said it wrong?
9.
So I got it round the wrong way this time. Look at the size of this roof light here. Not only that, they've got one at the front here as well. I guess that's a sunroof, but works the same sort of thing. Not a lot of room up the top here, but well, you've got a little levelling thing. I don't know what you use. What do you use that for?
Levelling.
No, but it's out the way is what I mean. Oh no, it's
we
not.
just stored
Oh, he
them
just
there.
picks it up.
We
Okay,
just
I
stored
thought
them.
it was. Okay. There's
Television,
two of them. Oh,
Yeah.
of course, that way and that way.
television there.
Television in here.
That
I
just
love the way
that
they.
pops out.
Oh, I
That's
see.
really
Yeah, it's
nice.
nice and smooth
You don't
and
have
easy.
pressing things.
They are heavy, but I think that's because they're sprung. Very easy, nice, very good. Now then, their kitchen area. Let's take a look at this. All right, so a nice little sink, not too bad. We have some area for draining, which I always look for. Bit more space there. A 4-burner, 3-burner and an electric hob there. They've got an oven down there. But look at this, look at the size of these drawers. Cutlery, yeah, nice big cutlery drawer, not very deep. Look at the size of that. My hand for reference, huge. In here is not so big, but it's still deep though. And then, yeah, same sort of size. There's another one down there. And just spinning back round, looking at everybody watching me. This table,
Oh, yeah.
now you said you modified this.
Yes.
So it's anchored at the bottom. No, and a nice normal pole there, which goes into. So it's removable.
Removable, yeah.
But then it's got this extra one, which isn't so connected to the floor,
Oh, it moves.
just to give you that extra stability.
Bays on the bottom.
Yeah,
Slide it round.
very smart. And then under there, where Zoe's feet are, her legs are,
Lift it up.
that's the.
We've got storage underneath.
That's where
there.
all the storage of the alcohol, by the looks of things.
Alcohol, umbrellas, walking sticks.
Oh, that lifts. Oh, look at that! Look,
Oh.
that lifts up for more storage. That's why there's a step. Right. Okay. I never even noticed. Brilliant. And just above the kitchen area, they've got some air con, and then they have this little locker in here. More storage. Now I can't see in there, but you might be able to. Some extra stuff they don't probably need so much of. They have a microwave and they have a fridge, freezer. Look how deep that is. Look at the size of this fridge freezer.
One of the reasons why we bought it.
Really? Yeah. One of the reasons why they bought it, Ian said. That's quite a large fridge freezer. No, oh no, there is a bottle of alcohol. Okay, cool. Got to get the essentials in. Now then, we're going into the bathroom.
Uh-oh.
The storage room, you mean?
The storage room, he says.
And there's a
So there might be some horrors in here, because they've been in it for a while. This been in it for how long? 2 weeks?
yeah,
2 weeks so far. Let's have a wander. I like your thingy, Ian.
very nice. My colour.
Okay, so first of all, light switch. Oh, is that the light switch? There you go, easy. There we are. So, excuse the storage space, but there's their, that's the shower. It actually is not, I'm just imagining it without the storage there, all the bottles of water and what have you. It's quite large, about similar size to Herman's, I think. And you've got some ample space on the around the toilet and the basin. Some storage in here, just for whatever's, you know, toothbrush and whatnot. And the mirror is not storage, but that's it. I felt so guilty going in there. Now I've just missed something. Look at the size of that cupboard. Won't even get on the screen. Right, what's in it?
Half a car.
Well, obviously it's their crockery and foods and coffees and stuff. Glasses over there. It's quite a large locker though. Look how deep that goes. And it's so easy. They've got to be the easiest cupboards I've ever opened, I think. And I've opened a few. Now into the magical room. The special room. The bedroom. Aha, okay, so double beds. Oh, there's a, hold on, back up a second. Step.
Storage underneath them.
There's a step there, meaning I'll probably trip over that. If this is my home, I'll trip over that one and then that one in the middle of the night. But anyway, bed either side, TV on one side, mirror the other. I wonder who's the mirror. But yes, bed either side. And look at this. Look at this centre table, console. What do you think? Oh, it's a drawer. Look at that. Nicely ironed and folded and whatever. Especially for the video. Plugs either side, a light, some storage up there. Doesn't look like they have much in there. Obviously a locker. I was going to say I'm not going to look in, but I'm looking in. I can't stop myself. Not so big as the ones in the front, but there you go. Look at that. And another large roof light. Oh, wardrobe here. Look at that. Oh, from the floor to the ceiling wardrobe. And you don't normally see one of those. And it's quite deep as well. My arm's all the way in and I can't reach the back. That's how deep it is. That is one huge wardrobe, but very slim. Apparently I've just missed another one. Look, there's another one. A double wardrobe motorhome. Again down at the bottom, but it looks like Ian's added something here to for like a little shelf. Is that right?
Because it's so deep, as you quite rightly said, that all slides out.
Oh, I see. So he's got it so it slides out. I won't try that, but well, let's go outside and we'll take a look at some storage while it's still raining. So underneath the bed, they have a little locker here. We have one the other side as well, and that looks like it actually. So now I've had a look around their motorhome, their lovely motorhome. I thought I'd ask them, give them a few questions. So how long have you actually had your motorhome for?
4 years.
was that like second hand you bought? Or?
Second hand, it was about 2.5 years old when we bought it.
Oh, okay. And what's your most favourite feature?
Especially today, I would say it's got to be the full air suspension.
Yeah.
Because we drive up, press the button, and we're level.
I did see that happening, and it was like, so get the chocks out, and you were just like, hold on.
Yeah.
And you also mentioned the fixed beds.
The fixed beds, yeah. I mean, that was a game changer, really. The motorhome we had before that, we used to make up the lounge bed. And I just,
Oh, you had to make it up.
yeah.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
It's
No.
hard.
And we didn't fancy climbing up to one of these overhead ones or anything with a ladder and all that stuff.
Drop
We're
down bed.
really going to fall out, aren't we?
Like
So,
Herman.
Yeah. So the fixed beds are a game changer.
And
really
look
are.
very comfortable. You
Oh.
just like drop yourself on there. And,
I sleep better in here than I do at home.
Yeah, we do, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so that's the good things, your favourite things. Well, what would you change about your van?
The garage.
Garage? You've got
Yeah.
one either side. They're quite small doors.
That's the size. The size of the door is the issue. We've been told by one other YouTuber that they can make the door a bit bigger. It might just be enough.
I was going to say, I'll get my saw if you want.
Yeah, yeah. That's about it really. The garage door. It'd be nice if we had one where we can get a bicycle because we quite fancy turning up on site,
Yeah.
getting a couple of electric bikes out, and then cycling around.
Yeah.
So that's the only thing
I mean,
really.
you can
When I
put. You got a tow
cycle.
bar, haven't you?
Yeah,
You get a tow
I've
bar
got
for it.
I've got the tow bar thing as well. I've got the actual thing to clip on it to put bikes on there, but I'm worried about the weight because
Oh,
electric bikes are
Yeah.
quite heavy. And then of course this is already long. The overhang on this is quite long.
yes. In fact, I noticed now the
Yeah.
campsite we're at the moment is it's not level, and when you drove around to reverse in,
Yeah.
your tow bar was about that far off
Yeah,
the. So I thought, oh,
Yeah.
that's getting close.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this particular motorhome is very, very low. It's another reason
Yeah.
why the air suspension is so good, because when I'm here, I press another button and it does off-road
It
mode.
just-
It raises the
Right,
whole lot
turns
about
into a
6
Range
inches.
Rover. Right.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
And how often do you use your van then?
Well, let's change.
I do. It's changed now since I retired.
Yeah.
I book every month. We go away for at least like 7 days. To
Well, we just did
11
3 weeks in
days, yeah.
Scotland, and then a week later we're doing this lot here. Another 10 days we're away.
And then
Then
next month.
yeah. So pretty much very regularly now. Very regularly.
Wow. So that's what we should be doing.
Yes.
Good job I'm not in front of the camera.
Yeah, I'm looking at Zoe here, just giving her the evils. Well, thank you very much for allowing me to be so nosy. And yes, I felt a bit guilty going around some of the
That's okay.
places, but hope you enjoyed having a look around there. Bailey Autograph at 794 T.
Tea.
Got it right, kind of thing. I normally forget. So if you enjoyed that, yes, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to take a look at Ian and Antonias-Escapades YouTube channel as well. Until next time, bye-bye. Say goodbye. There you go. And you can
Bye.
Zoe's saying goodbye as well.
Oh.